Meaning of epaulette.
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 Epaulette. An epaulette is a type of ornamental shoulder piece worn on uniforms, often in military or ceremonial settings. It typically consists of a fabric or metal shoulder strap with a decorative design, often including fringe, tassels, or braided cord. Epaulettes are commonly seen on the jackets of high-ranking military officials, such as generals and admirals. They were also historically worn by members of various paramilitary organizations. In modern times, epaulettes are often used for decorative purposes in fashion, with designers incorporating them into clothing designs to create a distinctive look.